When you're looking at a publicly listed natural hydrogen company, you'll probably be interested in the team and the tech, but also in their acreage being in key locations. And the word key is important here, as the company we're going to talk about today shares acreage in the same area as Koloma. You've probably heard of them, but they're the biggest player in the industry, backed by Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos. I'm talking of the publicly listed company with the highest prospective resource per acre of hydrogen, with a CEO that understands energy security, top-end energy. This company is an interesting one, with the potential to explode upwards if a nearby major discovery is made. But what makes their location so crucial? And what does it mean to have the highest prospective resource per acre? I'm Anthony Murhi from H2 Investing, and this is the company insight preview for top-end energy. Let's dive in. Quick reminder, you can find the information we share in this video in the Natural Hydrogen Investor Report 2025. Remember, you can just go to our website, h2investing.com, sign up on the form, you'll get the report, and you'll get subscribed to our bi-weekly newsletter. There's so much information there, you'll enjoy it. You can also check this out on Top End Energy's website, which is topendenergy.com.au. So let's start. Top End Energy is already unique in that it trades on the ASX, that is, the Australian Stock Exchange, under the ticker TEE, and on the US OTCQB venture market under the ticker SERPI. But this isn't all that makes it interesting as a stock pick. This company pivoted to natural hydrogen in early 2025 when it acquired Serpentine Energy and currently trades, as of the time of recording this video, at a price of 0.044 Australian dollars. Its 52-week high is 0.14 Australian dollars and its 52-week low is 0.033 Australian dollars. Top-end Energy's market cap is 11,171,250 Australian dollars, which converts to 8,522,548 US dollars. The company's chief executive officer is Luke Velterop, who previously led Serpentine Energy, acquired by Top End Energy in January 2025, and who has worked for both natural hydrogen and oil and gas companies focusing on the US. He also has diverse experience across traditional and new energy across Australia, Brazil, and the United States. Also, he is a strong advocate for a message similar to that of the US government. More than clean energy, natural hydrogen is a solution to the needs of energy resilience and security. But why is Top End Energy so promising? Top End Energy's most significant asset is its Serpentine project, located specifically in the Midcontinent Rift in Kansas, not only near but actually within HyTerra and Koloma's acreage. This project covers more than 30,000 acres of land and is dominated by ultramafic rocks rich in iron and magnesium, which are the best possible candidates for hydrogen generation. Hydrogen shows have already been confirmed through exploration drilling across multiple targets, and more comprehensive geophysical programs are underway in 2025. This potential has led Top End Energy to commence a farm-out process, inviting partners to participate in studying and exploring the Serpentine project for natural hydrogen, in an agreement that would not only allow partners the opportunity to explore in highly promising geological conditions, but also take advantage of the location, which puts them in the middle of a $5 billion Midwest hydrogen market with nearby off-takers. And how much hydrogen could TEE be sitting on? When it comes to the Serpentine project, estimates suggest around 552,000 tons of hydrogen, with up to 1.5 million tons potentially recoverable in a best-case scenario. This represents the highest hydrogen prospective resource per acre of any publicly listed natural hydrogen company out there. With land this close to Koloma and HyTerra, any large discovery made by these natural hydrogen veterans will immediately cause a surge in the price of Top End Energy's shares. So it's certainly something to consider, especially since you cannot invest in Koloma at this time. Oh, and let me add one final positive here. Top End Energy also represents the only publicly traded company offering exposure to both Australia and the US, with the aforementioned 30,000 acres in the US and over 2.4 million in Australia. This has been our company insight preview for Top End Energy. We hope you've enjoyed it and that it helps you further understand our industry's leaders. Remember, you can find all of the data we've shared here on the Natural Hydrogen Investor Report for 2025, and also on Top End Energy's website, topendenergy.com.au. When it comes to the reports, don't forget you can sign up. You'll be signed up for a bi-weekly newsletter. So many insights, so much intel, you're going to enjoy it. We've also added a number of interesting links in the description for you to do your own research. And just a final reminder, this content is for informational purposes only, is not investment advice, and does not constitute any offer or solicitation to offer or recommendation of any investment products. So thank you for watching. There will be more of these videos. Enjoy it and share it if you are able to. Subscribe, like, and all of the rest. Thank you. See you in the next one.